Good morning. How are we doing today? Trying to get things set up here. Oh, what a day. Yes, sir. What a day. Double check my YouTube settings and make sure everything is set up correctly here. Then we'll get the day started off. And it's going to be a short day. Hello everybody in the stream, I'm here. And you have the stream. Okay. Get that out of the way, get old Bitcoin. Altcoins. What's going on in alts today? Gonna be a short show today because my job status has changed around here today. It looks like I become a bus driver in the morning to take kids to the bus to school. PLU. Yeah, did a video about that a couple weeks ago. Pointed out PLU looking definitely good. Oh, I am totally congested this morning, so we'll try to get through this short this morning. Get other stuff covered. Get it kind of like a southern style restaurant. Get it covered, smothered, and scattered and splattered. As y'all know, we're at the mercy of Bitcoin today, and Bitcoin looking fairly good, not too bad. Come on in, say hi, kick that like button around. We'll get through this list here. Good morning, Sarrington. How you doing? Okay. EST running flat, kind of like Bitcoin. So let's look at Bitcoin here. Let's take a look at this one. Nice little run up from last night. Got a vector candle up above the wave here. So you can see when all the exchanges open. Hong Kong, Sydney, Tokyo. Sydney was down here when it opened up. In Tokyo, right in this area in Hong Kong. Now London is opened up a couple hours ago, about an hour and a half ago or so, but actually a bit longer than that, or my brain's dead. But anyway, all the banks are closed over there, so there's not a lot of money in the London area to push, so it's probably why it fell out. Which is a good setup. You think about it. It's a good narrative setting. United States, New York Stock Exchange opens up in a few hours. So hopefully that'll bring it and they push back up. I'm really hoping to get this up pass around 39.2, and I think we could see a nice little rise up today and tomorrow. Just my thinking, because what I'm thinking is it's going to come up. We're going to have that Fed report on the 4th, and this is going to be up in this area, and it's just going to come tumbling down. Let the Feds take the blame for Bitcoin falling. But I could be wrong. We'll have to see what happens when New York opens their doors today. But this was, you know, it was coming up over the weekend, started falling, slowly started bringing itself back up. And then we seen these exchanges open, and it just started climbing. Then the narrative was set that London's banks were closed, and it was going to be a light trading day, and that's what we're seeing. Light trading day for London. So you get New York, I think it could change it a little bit. Unless New York just wants to take it all back, which could be. Turn my microphone on and off. Let me get some coffee here. Still fighting this congestion and sore throat. So we'll get through this. Not seeing a lot of, I mean, we've seen everything pump last night. Everything's kind of looking the same. That's it. See little pumps, fall back off. Everything's tied to Bitcoin. WCGF, these are 1 hour charts. Not looking bad. Looks like it needs to get rolling here, but PLU, it definitely looks like it wants to run more. Like I said, this is 1 hour. Come on, there we go. Definitely blew past some of the lines I had from the past. I mean, so you can see where Bitcoin has just started hammering these through here and really got slaughtered there. They're just recovering when they got knocked off at, so they're just almost back. You know, PLU back above where it was. I mean, this is the area it was. Blew up a little past it. Nice to see. Probably get a retracement back in here, which it already did once. And up, retrace, recovered, and went back up. Looking good. Let's see, yeah. Can we expect more out of this? I would like to think we will. Been a good runner for the day or the weekend, I think. Or it started out yesterday, rather. And it broke this top here. Well, it's trying to break that top right there. It just keeps wicking into it. It looks like that's going to be the top to break. Change that line. Let's go with an information line. No, that's the wrong one. I want one that's going to go all the way across. Extended line. So it's trying to get through it. I put the extended line there because I wanted to see what all we're hitting on back here in the back. There we go. Kind of gives us some information from back there. Yeah, well, I didn't wake up. I'm not dying at night. Taking medication because my chest is killing me still. Can't breathe. I wouldn't say can't breathe. Just the issue I'm having is making me sleep a little bit more at night. Either I'm waking up coughing in the middle of the night and I don't know it. Definitely right here. Moving up. Just looking for a pattern here. Something I can see to make sense of where PLU could possibly run to. That's the 1 hour. Let's go 1 day. Oh, there we go. That's a short pattern for the day. Give us a fib on this. Come on. No. Go wick to wick. Yeah. I guess that would probably be one to look at. Our time frame looks like it went to the 618, looking for the 782 maybe. But you can see where all these work their way down the smaller fib. Pull that out of the way for right now. 30-minute here. And then, yeah, the fib disappears on us because I ran it too far over. Come here, Mr. Fib. Definitely taking off. On the smaller time frame, yeah. I still lost it. Wow, are you kidding me? I wish there was a way to make fibs just stay on, you know, where they could, numbers would ride across the lines with the candles. But yeah, 786 up here. Trying to break it. I'm struggling this morning. I have no brain cells, no voice. There's a 786. It broke that line. Got rejected. Let's go punch it a couple times. 1055. Blue. Making a move again this morning. He'll go a little run up, pull back, up again. Running against Bitcoin. Bitcoin coming down right now. So yeah, blue looks good. I think you broke your big toe last night. Wow. Good morning, Miss Yellowton. How you doing today? Sorry, I was busy trying to rack my brains with these charts. I ain't got no brain to work with today. I am just totally brain dead. I had to start changing my morning show out a little bit. Because like tomorrow, or today and tomorrow, I got to take kids to school at 8 o'clock in the morning, which is like an hour and a half away. Tomorrow I got to take the kids to school. Then I got to go to a doctor's appointment. So it just messes with my scheduling on this here. But I gotta do what I gotta do. I gotta get to the... You're planning a trip to Athens. Wow. Nice. Oh no, I got therapy on Wednesday. Okay. So tomorrow morning, I got school drop. So like I said, we'll do these kind of quick and short. Can't run the show right up to 8 o'clock when he has to be on the bus at 8 o'clock. But PLU is running away today. That's it. Just mess up your my chart here. That's back where it was. Let's get to the rest of the people here. Okay, we know Pooh's gonna run away with it. Has since yesterday. GST making a little pullback here. It's all the way down here to 390. DNT. DNT trying to make a go for it, and then had the little pullback here. So, I need to get my other chart back up here. What chart was I using? That one there? No. I guess it was that one there. Yeah. No, I'm not losing my voice. I just got a lot of congestion, drainage, allergies, just like garbage happening this time of year. It's springtime here, and the weather's bouncing from about in the 60s, and sometimes we get a day or two that gets in the 70s or 80s, and then right now today we're back down in the 40s, getting down to like 41, 42 at night, and back up during the day about 60. All the pollen and the mold and everything is kicking in and blooming. Trees are budding out, so all that fun stuff is just irritating everything in general. So DNT is heavily charted. I got lines all over that thing, as you guys can see. So very good buying point. Anything, well, back here, 8, 9, 10. I'd say more than 9s. Anything from in the mid 9s to the 8s are great buying opportunities, because TNT is a fairly low cap. I won't say really low, but I'd say mid cap coin. Got plenty of room to run. It's just gonna be a matter of time. Rory, low cap coin, definitely a good coin. Checking out, looking like it's wanting to take off this morning a little bit. It's just me. I'm starting to go blind. I can't hardly see the lines on the screen anymore. Plus, I've been trying to get myself settle down so I can start getting more videos out. So I was going to get some up the other day, and this babysitting ordeal my wife's doing is really affecting me getting stuff done. So we'll get through it. I'll just have to schedule my time to get things done. But Rory, look like being held down right now in a 30-minute, 1 hour. Same here. Gotta get through this 1 hour here, get past this LSMA here, get above it. So Rory can get a push up here, probably to the 100 moving average. 614, it would get a run going. Looks like everything's just getting pulled back right now. I mean, everything's getting held back on the longer time frames. And then that has to do because Bitcoin just did this arch too. Only person defying Bitcoin right now is right here. IOTX trying to, but can't. So PLU is just on a natural run on its own. Everybody else has got this long arch down because it's following Bitcoin. PLU is just following its own beat to a drum right now. I can't say which one's what. I see CoinMarketCap, PLU, Luton, 18 million market cap, very low cap. I mean, this thing could easily 20 million now, up 1,104% in volume. Yeah, this thing could easily take off 20, 30, 40 bucks. I mean, it's 20 million, 40 million market cap would be double. It really ain't nothing. 100 million is a 5x from here. And a lot of coins hang out around 90, 100 million. So very quiet under the skies coin. Like I said, I did a video on it. It's pumping. Not because I did a video. It's not pumping because my video. I'll tell you that right now. I didn't get that many views. But it's just timing. Things about right for it. It's ranked 755. Even if it got to 100 million, it'd be lucky to bring it up to the top 500. It'd probably bring it in the top, probably top 250. Oh, I guess it helped if I unmute my microphone. You guys could hear me better. I'm over here hacking, coughing, I'm muting it, unmuting it. So, but yeah, it broke the fib here. Look for it to go past, come back and retest. Where it could end up today, I think Blue could easily get up in the 14s to $18. 618, 382. Yep, I think. Could it be 100% coin today? I don't know if it could be today, but I think it's in the trajectory where it's going right now. Most definitely. So I just fan it out, kind of get an idea where each one of these are running to. That way, as it goes up, I can make some more and then come back down, retest. So yeah, I mean, definitely a 1366, as long as it keeps on a nice little trajectory here. Get supercharged, back up here, up to the $14 mark possibly. Would I recommend buying it right now? That would have to be your decision, because it is a low market cap coin. Could it run? Could this be the top and come back? It very well could. But I think on a long-term hold in the long run, this coin could still do a 5x from where it's at. So it's not a bad hold if you want to get into it. Just my opinion, not advice. Nothing wrong with Polkadot. Polkadot would be a long-term investment. Got a lot of stuff being built on the chain. And good morning, Douglas. Good morning, OMG. Bobby, good morning. Barrington, good morning. I just, like I told everybody before, I just have a hard time getting over this cold. Medication kicking my butt. My wife's watching kids almost 7 days a week. My schedule's getting bounced around with kids here. I didn't do a show yesterday. Sunday is my day. I'll do it if I feel like it. If not, it's my day off. I gotta have a break. But try to get it going Monday through Saturday. I could be getting messed up here this week because these kids, she was watching part-time on Fridays. Their babysitter had a baby. So now we're getting them full-time Monday through Friday. And I got to take them one to the bus stop at 8 o'clock every morning. So I got to cut this off, get dressed, get ready to drive him over there. They get dropped off here, I think, about 7 o'clock, 7:30. Might have to make my morning show either earlier or a little later. I have to decide. I don't know. It's in the I gotta think about what I want to do. And I'm not awake yet. I literally just woke up 45 minutes ago and just feel like death formed over. So well, it's not so much that. It's like I could probably do it later after all the kids got here and got settled down, like 8, 9 o'clock in the morning. But then my live stream gets messed up on the internet because there's so much being ran out this one internet with her, the kids, the TV, all the little things they have running on the Wi-Fi. So it just if I go live, it kills their TV, and those kids get very loud and angry without a TV. So definitely everything. Have a little pullbacks here. Let's see. It's ready to refresh this. I mean, I'm not seeing a lot of great big action happen. Everything is in a small percentage this morning. Bitcoin is starting to try to push a little bit, but it's being suppressed a little bit. So let me get back to the coin that was asked. I'm looking back here. Dakota. What do I think about AVT? A lot of people don't like, I mean, I've heard some comments. Other people say dead coin, it's not going nowhere. It's a small cap. I disagree with it not going anywhere. So it's a personal thing for anybody, but it's not a fast moving coin. They did revamp their white paper. They're making changes on what they're doing. I have not reviewed it. I need to. So anytime you redo your white paper and you start making changes, you're going to lose some investors. Some people ain't going to like it. Other people are going to love it. So it's probably just in a transition stage. It's probably beginning of this year with the new white paper. And with Bitcoin, the way it is just reacting all hand in hand. AVT is a low cap coin. I did a video on it. Go ahead and look at it. Down $11 million market cap. Volume is down 13%. All-time high over here. Almost 60% of the coins are in circulation. Not being diluted. Guys came up, come down, back up. And the all-time high don't look bad. Looks like a big cup and handle. Big cup, little handle. I mean, who knows? That'd be one hell of a takeoff if it was a cup and handle. But it's very possible to take off like that too. Everybody says a dead project. I don't believe it is. Well, Coinbase is looking for certain criteria to put coins on. They're not necessarily looking at excellent coins. Coinbase is wanting coins that are legit, US compatible, not scams, not rug pulls. They're looking for something that is not going to make them look bad for putting it on there. So other than that, then Coinbase has got to review these. Like when they change their white paper, Coinbase probably has a review team that reviews what's going on there. Make sure this coin is not harmful to any of their people. So I advise you to go to read the white paper, check it out, make sure you know what you're looking at. I need to redo my review on this and go over it, but being sick and a lot of things happening in the last week and a half, 2 weeks, I just haven't done any reviews, and I need to get back to them. It's a layer 2 blockchain protocol, and a lot of people say, well, layer 3 is going on right now. This is totally worthless. No, it's not. It's scalable. Just because it's on a layer 2 doesn't mean it's worthless. There's still many layer 2 and layer 3 projects out there that will still bounce off of this. They will probably end up scaling this to a layer 3. Like I said, I don't know. Have to read that white paper. So that could be a lot of their fluctuation and what's going on. And honestly, price when Bitcoin is down and looking bad, price is controlled by people just wanting to buy. You know, they are looking at projects. But when alt season starts kicking in, nobody's going to look at projects. They're going to look at nothing but technical analysis and money. So come alt season, I can see just like everybody else taking off. Go to the daily here. The daily doesn't look too awfully bad. You know, you can see where it's come down. That's all-time low. It's coming back up to bottom of that wick right there. Let's get it. Do the fib here, so going off the bodies, it's not even back to that original fib there. But it's not even hit a number. So yeah, it's hard to even pull a daily fib on this thing. Got to micro it down more. That wick right there's a 236. Wow, like I said, just micro fib it. Bring it back here to 30 minutes. So yeah, I mean, when you don't have a lot of volume, it's hard to figure out where everything's gonna go on a fib. So I would definitely keep an eye on it. If it's a project you're into, dig into research, dig it deep, go read the white paper, find out more about what it's doing, and if it's something you believe into, hang on, buy it, hang on to it. You know, when people were buying Cardano when it was 2 and 3 cents, they believed in the project. They bought it because they believed in it and they hung on to it. So those people who have several hundred thousands of Cardano, they bought when it was 5, 6 cents. It, you know, ran up to $2. Now it's back down to what, 75, 80 cents? It's all in what you research and believe in. Blue, definitely. Look at that. Getting more parabolic on my lines. Yep. There we go, Blue. Gonna take out some more. So keep getting parabolic. It's gonna, if it starts going up much more parabolic, it will come back down. But I'm drawing these lines here because as it goes up, it'll give you places where it will pop through and break back down into. So basically, what I would tell people is you want to set yourself up with purchasing coins as the market is down. And if we have a big crash coming with Bitcoin, have some funds set aside waiting. Because if Bitcoin decides to come down into the 20,000s, you're only gonna get a lot of these alts on a discount. So, and if it comes down like that, when these alts come down, you're gonna be able to stack your bags, hang on to them, and those are monthly buys. You know, you're looking 4 or 5 months down the road after that. to see some huge recoveries, because these things, when alt season takes off, will run hard. I mean, we're not talking 1, 2x, we're talking 10, 20, 50, 60x movements. A lot of these altcoins will just make and break you. So, you know, everybody's trying to grab a coin going, oh, I'm going to get in it now. It's going to pump 30, 40%. I'm going to get rich now. It's not going to happen that way. Unless you have $100,000 to throw in one of these coins and watch it run up 30%, get lucky. You know, you're not going to get retired and rich off of one coin. So all I say is you got to set your narrative up. Buy what you want to buy now. And believe in what you have. And those coins will explode, will make you money over the long term. Now, when I mean long term, I mean 6 months, a year, 2 years. I've had some coins I've held for 2 years. And when they went and exploded, they made me a lot of money. And I've had some coins that I'm still holding 4 years later. You're not gonna, you know, the days from 2016 to now, coins exploding 100,000% and making you rich. I mean, look at Bitcoin. 2016, it was in the $300 range. And it's the most popular coin in the world. It still has its big fluctuations. It still went up. But a lot of the alts blew up with it back then, and they all fall back down. So everything has a cycle. I mean, like Pluton here, $11. Where could it be 5 years from now? If Bitcoin, or even say 2 years from now, if Bitcoin goes to 250,000, that gives you more money for these coins to run higher. You won't see low cap coins in the 20 millions. Pluton could easily be a $2 billion coin in the market cap. So you do the math on how that would look. As Bitcoin has more value and more market cap, it puts more market cap money out there to go into alts. I don't mean to make this the Pluton show, but there ain't a whole lot going on with everything else. I mean, I can go looking for something that might be Immutable X is another low cap coin. There are so many low cap coins right now, it ain't funny. On my list, there's 54 low cap coins on CoinMarket or CoinBase. So you have 57 coins to choose from. And where's my list? Right there. Low market cap. Who's making moves? You got Loom, INV. That's way down. Pro, Rory, GFI, Suku, DNT, and Flu all at the top right now. But there's 54 or 57 coins here that are low market cap. The prices might not be low, but the market cap is low. I think Wi-Fi only has like a couple 30,000 coins. Price is way down on Wi-Fi. Farm, believe it or not, $82. I remember that coin was running around 300. QSP coming down. ORN's supposed to be a great project. INV, very low market cap. That's why you got the explosions. They'll run up to $500, $600, $700 and come crashing back down to 200. Loom, when you got lower money, it means you got more coins in circulation, but still they got a low market cap. And my trash man's coming down the street picking up trash today, so you're gonna hear a lot of noise in the background. Hopefully my microphone bumps all that out. But Suku, a lot of people love Suku. Got a lot of hope. A lot of coins, low market cap. So the price is basically deciphered by the amount of coins and the market cap. CRPT, low market cap, very, very controllable sometimes. But Plu, look at this. This thing is just wrecking it right now. It is just running it off and leaving the show behind. Just boop, 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 boop. Come on, he says, I'm leaving town. Let me bounce off of it. Flew here and get back over to. Let's see what's going on what Binance coins we have. Wow. The ones that some of you viewers like been calling out and I've been saving on Binance and watching aren't doing the best. Ape is another one. A lot of hype, a lot of run up. Can only handle so much pressure. It's got to come back down. So wherever it recovers at, let's go over here to the 3 hour. Yeah, at least it's above the $14 mark. Everybody's going, come on, get to 14. I remember that. Go 11 to 14, come back. Heavy retracement. Tried to recover here, still fell back out more. And let me stop looking too awfully bad. And maybe we should pull it back over here to where it bounced out of here. I mean, it came down, hit the 236. Could be worse. I mean, it could have came all the way back down to $7. And a lot of things are, like I said, the reason I pulled this up on Binance is because this right here is what was pointed out to me. So the day chart, look at that wick. Ape's first original candle, daily candle, had a wick all the way up to 2807. So if you really want to look at it, that's all-time high. And that doesn't show on CoinBase. And basically what I see another YouTuber point that out, Ape was just going up recovering that wick. And it didn't even make the all-time high for that wick. And while everybody on Coinbase is going, look, it's all-time high. I'm getting excited. I feel like this is more of a Coinbase pump for excitement for all-time high. Because people didn't see this over here. Because Coinbase only shows where it started back here. So definitely, this is the all-time low back here, 95 cents. So, 8 ran up. It's staying right here in this middle point. Just be glad it didn't come back down here to its original all-time low. Could you imagine buying it at $28 and be sitting on it back here at $8? These people were looking forward to Coinbase coming and launching Ape. Now there's some great information behind Ape, but keep your eye on the bottom there. If I went to the total bottom, 0.57. So this is almost at the top. Then I'll do that. I want to go back here. $236, so it broke through there. Come back to the daily. I'm slow today. My brain is not moving the best with making great fast movements. Get back here to the hourly. So I don't see anything fantastic about ape right now. It's not getting curled up. It's not getting set up. I mean, it's pulling down, getting things set up down here. But Bitcoin, Bitcoin's starting to move up a little bit. You'll see ape move up. Until this gets reset, which is probably going to dangle here between about 16, 18, drop down to 15s. If Bitcoin crashes more, which I don't think it will today, could be wrong. I mean, you could look for this to come down to 12, almost $13, $12.99. It could work its way down, but till it gets everything set back up, get some of these lines pulled back down here, and get coiled up, I don't expect another run out of ape. No, I wouldn't say today, but I could be wrong. I think it's just consolidating right down here. And that's just my opinion. Like I said, I'm not a financial advisor. From just what I'm seeing on the chart here, I think ape could see little ups and downs between 17, 15 here. It's got to get pretty much set up. I mean, it's at its lows. It's ready to get set up and going. So not too far away. It'll get going again. It's got a lot of hype behind it. The reason I mean a lot of hype is they acquired cypherpunks and ape, the two biggest NFT companies out there, are now under one roof. They're getting into the metaverse. I think ape just launched this weekend. It was tweeted that it can be purchased and sold on another type exchange, DeFi exchange. I can't remember the name of it. A lot of good information out there on ape. But like I said, everything here is slowly moving up. Everything's on hold. I mean, it's moving, but it's not. I mean, you see Bitcoin rise up, everything wants to rise with it. You see Bitcoin start coming back down a little bit, everything stutters and freezes, and it's like, oh my god, where are we at? Wrath Luna. I mean, everything's been on sale. Everything's trying to recover. And I mean, it's hard for me to do these shows and try to tell you guys where I think everything's going, because just about time you say, oh, this is going up, which Luna's look like it's making a move. It's all loaded up right here on the half hour. It's got a green dot. Everything's pushing through. But I can't say Luna's going to explode. I mean, it's all coiled up, wants to go. But how can you explode from something that's already up there? I mean, yeah, it came down, it's recovering, upward trend. We're looking good. I'm not going to complain about nothing here. Definitely in the upward movement here. Break the 200 on the moving average. We'll see a higher high. Yeah. Top of that one. But you'll notice things like this will come up, hit it, stop, sometimes retrace back down. So Rat Luna, definitely looking good. That's awesome. I got some GST, so it'd be awesome if it's killing it. So Rat Luna gonna hit 200. No, it's not even gonna stop. It says we out of here today. See it. Pull up, pull back, keep going. Come on, make a liar out of me. Just blast through it. Bitcoin pushing a little bit right now, so things are looking up. So everything, you know, like I said, Bitcoin pulls back a little bit, everything retraces. There goes Miss Luna. She's gonna pop out that 200, get past that blue line there, and she'll definitely take off and do some flying. See how it broke through together? Green dot, breakout right after the green dot. All it would take right now is for Bitcoin to do a little reversal, and this thing will suck up and pull right back. And it's funny because I can see it on the charts over here, right in this little area right here. Bitcoin starts moving, everything here starts turning green. When Bitcoin makes a pullback, I watch all this stuff turn white and turn red, and it's like, yep, I can tell just not even by looking at Bitcoin, just by looking at these charts of all these alts. But look at PLU, 52% up and moving because Bitcoin is moving. Look at that, shooting right through up there. This is on 30 minutes. And what was I just at? Rat Luna. Definitely got hung up right in this little area right here on these two. Yep. So if you look at this top right there, and that top of that candle right there, boom, look at that. Wherever they get hung up, you can always find a reason why. I think my wife's trying to burn me out with this heater. Wow. Blue's on the prowl. Look at that. Already up to 1170 and moving. IOTX. Not so much at the moment. GST. I wouldn't say GST's going crazy. It's just coming back from where it was. DNT. No, rad. See, a lot of them are just hanging out. Nothing really expect. You know, trying to find one that's going to blow up. I think Luna did it. IMX, Immutable X is getting set up a little bit. Look at that. Almost got a crosshair. Need a green dot. This probably needs to push up right here to this area and get a close. Everything will be under it, loaded, ready to set the fuse off. So Immutable X, definitely looking like it's getting preloaded. Just like everything else, starting to slowly come up, get set up. Things are getting ready to cross, create a green dot. So I'd expect a green dot here, and the next candle to cross. But definitely gotta get up above the 200. SRs right there with the 200. Cross this little orange line with the 200 right there. Set off another candle, and boom. So I'm gonna have kids coming in here in a few minutes, so I hate doing this, but I guess we're gonna have to cut this off in about 5 or 10 minutes. Keep your eye on Immutable X. IMX 2.25 looks good. Super. Super has quick explosions, quick pullbacks, but you see the green X. You got the crossover on the 30-minute. Got a lit 30-minute candle. Lit 1 hour, no, not 1 hour, but 30-minute here. Okay. Okay, guys. Well, things are getting complicated around here. I got to get things set up here. Got to help the wife out. So we'll cut this short today. You guys have a wonderful morning. Blue will be the coin of the day. I apologize for cutting things short, but you guys have a wonderful rest of your afternoon, day, evening,